I let it fall for my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me.
My hands, they're strong, but my knees are far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet.
But there's a side to you that I never knew.
The things you'd say, they would never.
And the games you play, you would always and always win.
But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face.
Will it burn when I cry? 'Cause I heard it screaming out your name.
Your name.
Your name.
When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes.
Till you hear forever, you and me together, nothing is better.
'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. The things you say, never true. In the games you play, you always win.
But I set fire to the rain, watch you pour as I touch your face.
Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.
I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames.
When we fell, something died, 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time.
Sometimes I wake up by the door, that hurt you cut must be waiting for you. Heaven now, it's already over. I can't help myself from looking for you.
I set fire to rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.
I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. When we felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time.
The last time.
The last time.
The last time.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.